Yeah.
Okay, so this is basically my overview of the new mufflers, the little mini mufflers. They actually work really well. It didn't eliminate or drown out the sound too much. It just turned it down just enough to make it a little more tolerable and less harsh, but still has that insane sound to it. It sounds almost like a V8 version of the F Type. So it's a pretty good setup. I'm happy with it, but the only thing is it won't pass smog, so I'm gonna have to go back to stock downpipes eventually. But this was an enjoyable experience, and I'm glad that you guys were able to kind of watch and see the comparison and see how it is. Thanks again for watching, guys, and like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you around.